Hello. So what are the challenges facing HR heads in the year 2017? In my view, the challenges facing HR heads draw or emerge from the challenges facing all businesses and therefore business leaders. The world is going through a lot of uncertainty, a lot of volatility. Therefore, the biggest challenge for businesses is to stay and adapt and learn from the changes and make sure that they are being competitive. From a people perspective or a workforce perspective, therefore, organizations need to be more agile, nimble, and adapt to changing realities. This could mean changing business strategies, that could mean changing products, changing technologies, changing the entire business model itself. That will create its own set of anxiety and it will create its own set of resistance to change, because every change is accompanied with a lot of fear and anxiety, because nobody knows what the implications are. Therefore, the role for HR heads and the challenge for HR heads in a nutshell will be about facilitating and leading organization change and transformation and partnering with the business leader and business leaders to facilitate that. There is also the role that technology will play in terms of digitization. One of the big challenges is going to be with the emergence of future technology in the form of artificial intelligence, robotics, machine learning will mean that more and more work will be done by less and less people. So nature of jobs are changing, and this may invite again fear and anxiety amongst the workforce, which could potentially also mean loss of jobs. And to do this with sensitivity, to prepare the organization to be able to stay ahead of the changes, to reskill people, redeploy people, to be able to therefore make sure the anxieties are contained so that they don't spill out and organization life is not disrupted despite the change. I think this is going to be the big challenge for HR heads in navigating and supporting the business heads and the business leaders and their organizations in gearing the organization to effectively transition with every change that happens on the consumer side, on the technology side, on the regulatory side, or the larger economic side. So I would in a nutshell say that organization change and transformation is going to be one of the big umbrella challenge, under which there will be sub challenges in the form of containing anxiety, preparing the workforce for being agile and nimble, and in terms of ensuring that technology adoption and alignment to